I'm here for the whatever that section was called that we did so many moons ago, for where we made stuff in the kitchen, but I can't remember what it was called for the life of me. I'm sure you guys all remember. And well, what I would quickly, before I crack on, show you guys the view of my living room, because I freshly moved and oh my god, it is beautiful. Right, now we are in my kitchen, and today I am going to be making a coffee using this new monster sized jar. It's decaf and it's medium on the scale. Now first, what you are going to need more than anything is a cup, because you can't put your coffee, you can't drink your coffee if it's not in a cup. Now, I like to use this one personally for a reason which, well, you'll see in a minute. Right, so put your cup and you grab a spoon, a teaspoon of course, although really they should make coffee spoons if you ask me. Alright, so I'm going to place this on my little plate here, please don't fall over, that's really terrible. Try and do everything one-handed. No, just stay there for the time being. Just stay there. It's a new job. Ah! Right. Look at that. Ah, that smells lovely, that does. Right. Now obviously, in order to make a coffee, you're going to need some coffee granules. 1 teaspoon is plenty enough. Believe me. I've done more than one. Now, if you like sugar in your coffee, you obviously add your sugar. I personally, myself, yes, you add as much as you would like. I personally like about 1.5 teaspoons. Very precise, I know, but that way it's perfect. That looks plenty. Right. Next thing you do is if you have a kettle, obviously you flip the kettle, but for some reason we have a hot water boiler. So you press the button on the hot water boiler. Is that going to be enough? Yeah. Press the button, and whilst that's boiling, as you can hear, if you take milk in your coffee, you grab the milk out the cupboard. At the fridge. Now, you're about to see why I like this cup so much. Keep an eye on where the screen is for the Game Boy. You'll soon see what I mean, but I think I might have a bit too much water going into that. We'll see. Oh, here it comes. Yes, keep your eyes on where the screen should be. Whoa! Bit of splash come from that. Yes, keep your eyes on it. And this is why I like the mug so much. It is a heat-changing mug, although it's slowing down a bit now. Who's Daisy? I haven't actually ever read this. What does it say? Ah, caught myself off guard there. Thank you, Mario. Oh, Daisy. Right, now, what you do is you get our friend Mr. Milk over here, You add our friend Mr. Milk if you take your coffee with milk, like me. And you give it a good old stir. And that is done. Obviously, be careful because it's hot water and you don't want to be burning yourself. So if you're young, I'd say younger than 10 years old, always make sure an adult is around with you when performing this. Although my advice to any adults who might be watching this, if people want to try coffee now, start them on decaf. People that young are way too young for caffeine. Alright then, gonna start showing you how to make